Alright, this is Rob again with another video for you. What I have here is my Echo blower. It's the Echo PB-250LN. It's been a good piece of equipment, for a few years for me. But lately, over the past week or so, what's happening here is as I use the blower, it runs very well, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it'll just shut off. It doesn't run poorly up to that point. It runs perfectly fine, and then it will just shut right off, and you can't restart it for about, I'd say, about an hour, 2 hours, and you could start it. It'll run fine again, and then in the middle of using it, maybe for half hour or so, it'll just shut right off. What I'm suspecting, since it doesn't run poorly up to the point where it shuts down, I'm suspecting it's the ignition coil module, or whatever you call it. So I did order that piece. I think it was like 21 bucks on Amazon. I think it's the same price on eBay. So I'm going to replace that and find out if that's the problem. 21 bucks is not bad, so it's not like you're paying a fortune. But I'm going to run this right now to see if I can duplicate the problem when it shuts down. I don't know how long that'll take, but I'll see if I can duplicate it while I'm using it. I don't know how I'm going to hold the camera while I'm doing it, but we'll see. Alright, so here's my Echo blower running. And as you can see it right here, it actually is running okay. It's pretty smooth. I'm just warming it up, but like I said, after about a half hour or so, it'll just die. Immediately die. And it won't run rough up to the point where it shuts down. It just shuts down unexpectedly, and you can't get it started again for about an hour, 2 hours or so, which is why it leads me to believe it's the ignition coil. So I'm trying to duplicate that problem right now to see if I can get it to do that. It's going to be hard for me to hold this camera while I'm doing it, but I'm going to try. Alright, as I said, I was going to try to demonstrate this thing shutting down for you, but it kind of tricked me. I had it running here for a while, and then I stopped the video, and guess what? It shut down. But again, it did not shut down, it did not start running rough or anything before it shut down. It just out of nowhere shut off, just like that. So again, I'm going to replace the ignition coil because I think that's what it is, and I will do an update on this after I replace that. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, so and then I will post an update. Thanks for watching.